Reputable companies are relying on the Better Business Bureau to show what their rating is. So they rank from A+ down to F, and essentially their goal is to make sure that you're doing your due diligence and reaching out and looking at the Better Business Bureau and looking up companies. But the idea behind it is if you have an issue, you can submit that issue to the Better Business Bureau, and the contractor now has to resolve that issue in order to impact their grade or rating. So it is really your only line of defense. You can go do a bad review on Google, they can respond to it. There's services now that clean up Google bad reviews. But the Better Business Bureau, it is a legal entity, and they are there to sort of police businesses, not just contractors in general, that they're conducting business how they should be.
People come first, construction, making your outdoor space your favorite.